Hi folks, this is Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants and another quick minute. I am here in probably one of my favorite houses. This house is in Eastover, and as you can see, it's a little unusual. It's actually built in a V. Master bedroom, long hall, 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own bath. This first bedroom has a, well, opens the hallway and the bedroom. In the apex, and there it is, that goes into the bedroom also. Living area, dining room, kitchen, utility room, and the family room. Outside, storage room, another bathroom, just great. However, what I wanted to show you today was a smoke detector. And I'm going to dim this light down. I'll get it here in a moment. And if you can see that date, March 20th, 1981. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. National Association of Fire Prevention recommends you replace your smoke detector every 10 years. My research shows that by 8 years of age, 1 out of every 5 smoke detectors doesn't work. 6 years, 7 years, folks, throw them away and buy new ones. They're inexpensive. It's your family safety. This is Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants and another quick minute. Oh, by the way, home buyers, even though they're renovating this lovely home, are going to leave some elements, this wallpaper, in place. Have a blessed day.